So I've been getting a lot of requests lately that people who want to see investors, who want to see an investment version of the market report that I do for the home. So I've decided to go ahead and do a monthly version for investors for the market report that we've been doing. And this market report, it's going to be mainly focused on 2 to 4 unit homes that are for sale out there. The single family, if you're looking for flips and that kind of thing, I would recommend go take a look at my monthly market report. That one should pretty much cover what you're looking for the single family homes and for the flips and stuff like that. Anything that's over that 4 unit, you start getting into the commercial side of investing. So that's a little bit of a different ballpark. So we're going to focus mainly on 2 to 4 units with this report. And again, in the capital region, we're going to keep it right here. And so for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Chris McMahon, a real estate agent right here local to the real estate market. Please click subscribe and click that bell so you get notified because I'm doing all kinds of videos, market reports, talking about investment properties, and just the community and real estate in general, so I don't want you to miss out on anything. And let's go ahead here. Let's talk a little bit about investment properties because they do trend differently a lot of times than the single family homes, and for the reason, rents are up and down a lot of times, or the majority of times they're bought by investors, and really numbers dictate a lot of what investors do on things. So let's go through and let's talk about it a little bit. Let's talk about Saratoga first. Now, Saratoga, the average sales price, and we're going to the month of January 2023. So we're starting right off here with the new year with this one. But January 2023, the average sales price was $398,000, which is down quite a bit. This is going to blow some of your minds. But the month before that was $1.71 million as far as the average sales price. So what sold in that month? Well, there's a couple either one really big item or a couple larger items that brought that up. But that has dropped significantly. Days on the market, average days on the market, Saratoga Springs, 4. Doesn't surprise me too much because the rents in Saratoga are very high. So rental properties in that area are going to be very sought after. Active listings right now, as the time that I looked this up, this was 13 active listings, 1 new listing for the month. So we're not seeing a lot of new listings as far as that goes. People are holding on to them in Saratoga. And we got the number of sales for the month of January was 3. So like I said, we've got people holding on to them in Saratoga. But the good thing is there is some listings here. We have 13 active listings currently. Only 3 sold last month. So if Saratoga is an area that you are looking to get into as far as an investor, it looks like there's some area right here. We've got some opportunities in that area that you can jump on and take advantage of. And as we saw, the prices come down on that one. And this is going to show a little bit of a trend as we're moving forward here because I'm going to jump down to Albany. I'm not going to cover all the same areas I did because some of these areas are stronger in rental properties than others. I don't really want to cover an area where there's not a ton of rentals. But Albany, investors know there's a lot of opportunity down in the Albany area here. So the average price here is, again, it has dropped. $247,000 was the average sales price in the month of January, which is down from $256,000. So that dropped almost $10,000 there, but a decent amount. Days on the market is up because it was at 18 and went up to 20. So it kind of going on a little bit longer, not much. Number of active listings, this is down. It's 77, which is still quite a few active listings, but it's down from 97 of the previous month. But the good thing here that we see is that the new listings have come up. 49 new listings came out in January as opposed to 42 in the previous month. And the number of sales, 79, which jumped in there too because it was 65 the previous month. So Albany, price is down a little bit. The number of active listings is down, but new listings are increasing. So there's a bunch of new opportunities out there in Albany to take a look at for the investors. And with price coming down, rents in a lot of areas are going up. So, that might be an area that you want to take a look at as far as getting into an investment property, whether you're a seasoned investor or a new investor. That might be a good area to start, to increase your portfolio or even just get started here. And we're going to go to Glens Falls. Glens Falls got a pretty good amount in that area too. The average sales price in there was $188,000. So this is the lowest out of the 3 areas I'm going to cover today at $188,000. Down significantly again from $311,000 from the previous month. So we see another big drop. Saratoga, Glens Falls, both had pretty big drops and the prices. Glens Falls especially, I mean, 188,000 for the average is down over 120,000. Days on the market here also took a huge jump to 42, up from 25. So we're going from 3.5 weeks, just under a month, to about a month and a half. So there's a big difference in that right there. Active listings 21, which is also down from 29. But new listings in this area is down as well. So it was 17 the previous month. It's 3 for the month of January. So it's kind of slowed with the new listings, but the solds are about the same at 6 last month, where it was 5 the previous month before that. So, I mean, that's really the 3 areas we're going to talk about today. It's kind of covering the gamut. If there is an area that you're interested in that I didn't cover, feel free to reach out to me, get a hold of me, and I can do your own video for you and send it out to you. I can research that area, and I can make sure to include it in the report next month as we go on. And we'll develop this a little bit, kind of come up with some new areas and things that people are interested in, as I get the feedback from you. So I'll definitely, comment on this, send me some feedback. Let me know what you want to see, what areas you're interested in, what type of investing you're interested in as well. Comment on that below and let me know. And I'll definitely make sure to start adding that stuff that everybody's looking for. So we're getting a full gamut here. But like I said, Saratoga looking pretty strong right there. Good rental market. Rents are pretty high in that area. Are some opportunities for those who want to get into the Saratoga market. Albany really got the most listings right now. So the most opportunity right now as far as the number of listings and opportunity and things to look at is the Albany area. Glens Falls has cooled off a lot. So for a new investor who maybe doesn't have the large amount of capital to get into a new investment and wants to kind of test the market, see how it feels a little bit, you can get into Glens Falls right about now, a little bit cheaper than those 2 areas right there. So a little bit more affordable of a rental area for you to kind of get in there and get your feet wet. Or if you're a seasoned investor and you want to do some bulk and you're just trying to get in and, get some more properties in your portfolio, definitely get into here a little bit cheaper, and the rents are pretty solid in that area as well. So again, my name is Chris McMahon, real estate agent here. You got any questions, reach out, get a hold of me, call, text, email. It all works for a comment below, anything you'd like to see in the next video or any question that you might have that I can answer for you. And we'll look forward to seeing you guys on the next one here, and we'll expand this and get in some more good stuff here. So we'll talk to you guys soon.